Do you feel like saving money is harder than ever? The truth is, your smartphone can actually save you hundreds, even thousands if you download the right apps. In this video, I'll share the top 7 apps that can save you money in 2025, from budgeting tools to cashback apps. Stay until the end because app number 7 is a hidden gem that most people don't know about. App 1, Mint. First is Mint. This app helps you track your income, spending, bills, and even credit score all in one place. It's like having a personal financial assistant in your pocket. If you don't know where your money goes every month, Mint shows you instantly. App 2, Rocket Money. Second is Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill. This app finds and cancels unused subscriptions automatically. Imagine how much you can save if you stop paying for subscriptions you forgot about. App 3, Acorns. Third is Acorns. This micro-investing app rounds up your daily purchases and invests the spare change. Buy a coffee for $2.70, and it invests the remaining 30 cents. Over time, those cents add up to hundreds of dollars in investments without you even noticing. App 4, Rakuten. Fourth is Rakuten. It gives you cash back every time you shop online at popular stores. Instead of paying full price, you get money back, sometimes 5%, 10%, or even more. Free money for shopping you're already doing. App 5, Honey. Fifth is Honey. When you're checking out online, Honey automatically finds and applies the best coupon codes for you. Instead of wasting time Googling discounts, Honey saves you instantly, sometimes hundreds on big purchases. App 6, Good Budget. Sixth is Good Budget. If you've ever heard of the envelope budgeting system, this app digitizes it. You assign money to different envelopes like rent, food, or entertainment. Once the envelope is empty, you stop spending. It's a powerful way to control overspending. App 7, Gas Buddy. Seventh is Gas Buddy. With fuel prices always changing, this app helps you find the cheapest gas near you. Even saving just 10 to 20 cents per gallon adds up quickly if you drive often. Bonus mention. And here's a bonus app, Cash App or Venmo. Not only do they make transferring money easy, but they also offer cashback boosts when you use their cards for shopping, dining, or transport. Recap. So here's the list again: Mint, Rocket Money, Acorns, Rakuten, Honey, Good Budget, and Gas Buddy with Cash App or Venmo as a bonus. These apps together can literally save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. Call to action. Which of these apps will you download first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who needs to save money, and subscribe for more finance and business tips. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be hard sometimes. It's as simple as installing the right app.